Sangita Marak batray ha Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank Limited Shillong kalayo ban khori ka khusna Miss VogueStar 2023 Hale Meridian Jaipur Resort and Spa kablan long hanong ba Jaipur dangshen Sangita Marak kabasyong basa ha RR Colony Renja kalaong bakajing la jangka ban poi jikathong kalong hadin kajing hikai da ki banai bat ki wei pat ki benta jing pet.
They started this entire process in the month of sometime in January. So they held an online audition. This entire thing was held virtually actually. So it was an online audition, and I cleared the auditions. And after that, our grooming and training sessions began. And as an individual, I learned a lot of things through this pageant. It's not just a pageant, but a learning process. I believe learning never stops. So whenever we get any opportunity to learn and hone our skills and create unique identities for ourselves, I think we should just go ahead. Be it a pageant, be it any experience for that matter. So as a person, I was always inclined to beauty and fashion. As women, we all love anything that has to do with beauty and fashion. So obviously when I came across this platform online, I just went for it and I registered myself, and the rest is history. I learned a lot of things. There were plenty of experts in the team who gave us training on communication skills, makeup, ramp walk, fashion. This entire process has taught me how to love myself, how to take care of myself, and how to be self-confident. And VogueStar is a platform for women, by the women. And they're not looking for physical attributes. And the founder, Ms. Kyrwoh, has basically broken the norms of stereotypes whereby in pageants they look for a certain height, a certain shape, a certain figure. But she's broken all that, and she's given opportunities to ordinary women like me to fulfill extraordinary dreams. And I'm one of them. I'm an example, and I'm absolutely proud to represent my beautiful city, Shillong, and go out there in Jaipur, be a part of this entire event, entire experience, and win the crown and come back happy and proud. I'm very happy, not just for my community, but for our other communities in Meghalaya. I'm happy to have represented our other communities like Khasi community, Kyrwoh. I'm happy to be a permanent resident of Meghalaya and to have gone out there and gained an experience, come back as a winner, as a city winner. It's really an achievement for me, and I wanted to share this experience and this achievement with everybody, with the masses.